Hey guys, it's Lem here again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the electric jack that I just purchased on Amazon. This one here is the 5-ton version. It is orange, and I think the other one is the 3-ton jack, which is it's colored in yellow. So as you can see, I already jacked this Mitsubishi Outlander. I was trying to patch the leakage in the tire. So this is what I've used. It is so convenient, guys, to have this electric jack. So as you can see, we've got the controller over here. It's got the up and down controller. You just plug it to your cigarette lighter jack right here. So I'll show you guys how it's done. So I'm gonna plug this in. While we're at it, I could show you guys my impact wrench that I also purchased on Amazon right here. This thing is amazing, guys. If you are doing a tire rotation or brake or anything involving with the wheel and so forth, this thing comes in handy. So I'll put everything in the link in the description below where you can purchase this. But this is amazing. As you can see, you do have the reverse and forward, and you got all this nice rubber grip and so forth. It does have some heft to it. It's quite on the heavy side, and this is electric, so you just plug this on your socket and you are pretty much good to go. So I'm just gonna put on the tire back, the wheel back. All right, so let me put this back here. So here it is. Alright, so that's pretty much done, and now we're gonna lower it. So I'm gonna go up a little bit higher, okay? So I think we're almost like a foot high here, guys. It can go very, very high, but all you have to do is just pretty much press the power button right here. Look how high that is. That is really, really high. Maybe we are at, distance wise here, maybe a foot, almost a foot here high. It could even go higher than that, guys. But that's pretty much it. The only negative I have with this, I'm kind of nitpicking already. I wish that they have a button that you could just press it once and it will just go by itself up or down. That's the only thing I wish that they implemented here. But other than that, this is an amazing electric jack, guys. So now I'm just gonna lower it down. Just press the button over here. By the way, this thing is made of plastic, the controller. Very simple to do. Give you guys a different angle here. Still going down. All right, so it's down now. Okay. So here it is. Here is the electric jack, guys. Just an amazing tool, really handy. If you do a lot of fixing with your car, this thing is a must tool, guys. Okay, let me just close it down a bit more here, guys. So the top here swivels. It swivels, and here is your motor on the side here, and all the specs and everything, they're all here. Information on how to jack your car, and all the cautions and warning is on the top over here. So at the bottom, there it is. I usually put a cardboard at the bottom so I don't scratch it. And it does come with a case. It does come with a case, which is awesome. The case, which I will show you guys, just give me a second. This is how it would look like if you store the electric jack in the case here. So you just pretty much put it like that. Fold all the cables. So forth, and you have all your other component here, extra wires to power your electric jack. If you do decide to power it up via battery, you have this lever to manually lower the electric jack. Comes with all your instruction manual there, and it comes with a glove right here as well. So this is the case, guys. It's solid plastic, very sturdy. You've got your locking mechanism here. And the good thing about this case, on the back here, it comes with a Velcro. So you could just stick this right on the carpet trunk so that it doesn't slide or move around in your trunk, which is amazing, guys. So that's pretty much it. Amazing tool. You definitely need to grab that. And here's the impact wrench, another amazing tool if you do a lot of removing wheel nuts, wheel lugs, wheel locks on your vehicle. This thing comes in handy, guys. The specs, I'll put the specs on the screen display, and you guys pretty much decide if this is worth the purchase or not. But in my opinion, guys, this two tools here is amazing. You definitely need to get it. It saves you time. It saves you a lot of energy, not to work too hard. I did this before. I did a brake rotation, no, tire rotation, and a brake fluid flush. When I was doing it manually, I was exhausted at the end of the day, guys. And when I used all these tools, it was just a great experience. Didn't have to work hard. It was quick and fast, guys. So you definitely want to get these tools. And if you do have any other further questions, just leave me a comment down below, guys. And once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.